Good afternoon. So, our objective for today is to determine the relationship between the different amounts of solid solute and the rate that they dissolve in the same volume or amount of water. So, what are the materials that we need? We need salt, flour, powdered juice, and of course, 100 ml water. So, let's proceed to the procedure. Okay, so first we need to label it. The beakers, we have A, B, C, and D. So the first that we are going to use is the salt. So in A, beaker A, we're going to put half teaspoon of salt. And we're going to check if it will dissolve completely, partially, or not at all. Place these beakers 5 ml water each. Okay, so in beaker A, with the 1/2 teaspoon salt, it completely dissolved. So next, we're going to see the B with 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, so in beaker B, there are some particles that stayed at the bottom. So it partially dissolved. So next, we're going to try the beaker C with 2 teaspoons salt. 1 and 2. Okay, so in beaker C, all of the salt that I placed here did not dissolve. Okay, so next we're gonna try D with 3 teaspoons salt. Okay, so like in beaker C, it didn't also dissolve. All of the particles are still here. Okay, so next, we're going to try it with the flour. Okay, so like the salt, we're also gonna make the same procedure on the flour. So in each beaker, I already placed 5 ml water. So let's see what will happen next. So I also placed the flour like what we did with the salt. 1/2 teaspoon of flour, 1 teaspoon of flour, 2 teaspoons of flour, and 3 teaspoons of flour. So we are gonna see if it's the same of what happened with the salt. We're gonna mix them. Okay, so like what happened with the salt, in letter A with 1/2 teaspoon, it actually dissolved. All of them actually dissolved. So next, we're going to mix letter B with the 1 teaspoon flour. So with letter B, it's actually hard to mix. So next we're gonna see letter C and letter D. In letter C, it actually became formed. So let's check with letter D. Okay, so in letter D, it became foamy and sticky. Okay, so next, we are going to check the powdered juice. Okay, so like with the flour and salt, we're also going to do the same procedure with the powdered juice. We're going to mix it. Wait. Okay, so this is what happened in letter A. It dissolved. In letter B, it partially dissolved. In letter C, it also partially dissolved and it became heavier. In letter D, it became kind of sticky and it partially dissolved. In letter C, and in letter So, thank you for watching.